Good morning, students. Let's continue the chapter. Yesterday we had discussed about the conversation like the cure of we have done that, and today we are the cost of a cure. We have done that, and now we are going to start the next topic, that is public and private healthcare service. So we have, in the last conversation we have seen that what were the difference between the private health centers and the public health center. So here is some points are given, you can say the summary is given. Let's continue. From the above story, you must have understood that we can roughly divide up healthcare center facilities in the two categories. First is public health services, the second is private health. Public, which runs by the government, and private, which runs by some individual. So let's firstly do that. Public health services. The public health services is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. So now it is the definition also clear to you that what is public health service. So they are linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas and can provide treatment to all kinds of problems from common illness to special services. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. They are trained in dealing with common illness and work under the supervision of doctor at the primary health centers. PHC, it is the short form of primary health center. Or a civil health center, you have many places. You have CHC, that is the civil health center. Also it is called. Such a center covers many villages in a rural area. At the district level is the district hospital that also supervise all the health centers. Large cities have many government hospitals, such as the one where the Aman was taken, and also specialized government hospital such as one in the Hakim Sheikh stories you have read. So the health service is called the public for many reasons. Why it is called the public health services, let's come to know. In order to fill its commitment of providing health care to all citizens, the government has established these hospitals and health centers. Also, the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. Hence, such facilities are meant for everyone. One of the most important aspects of the public health system is that it is meant to provide quality health care services either free or at a low cost. They don't take so large charges, so many big charges, or you can say the charges for the facility that takes in the private hospitals. They take a minimum amount, so even that poor can seek treatment. Another important function of public health is to take action to prevent the spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera. Now you can see about the coronavirus also, especially they are mostly private like private sectors, private hospitals, you can say, they are also giving the treatment, but the governments are mainly authorized for rest. Firstly, it is the government hospital duty, public health care duty, to admit that patient or do the treatment of that patient. So diarrhea, chikungunya, etc., there has to be organized by the movement, by the government, within the participation of people, otherwise it is not effective. For example, when taking up a campaign to see that mosquitoes do not breed in the water coolers, rooftops, etc., this has to be done for all houses in the area. So recall the case of Hakim Sheikh. Would you like to know that what the court said in the case? Like, what was, you have read the story of the Hakim Sheikh, that what was the court decided about that? According to our constitution, it is the primary duty of the government to ensure the welfare of the people and provide healthcare facilities to all. The government must safeguard the right to life of every person. The court said that the difficulty that Hakim Sheikh had to face could have cost him his life. If a hospital cannot provide timely medical treatment to a person, it means that the protection of life is not being given. So, continue the next. The court also said that it was the duty of the government to provide the necessary health services, including treatment in emergencies situations. Hospital and medical staff must fulfill their duty of providing the necessary treatment. Hakim Sheikh was denied treatment at various government hospitals. Therefore, the court asked the state government to give him money that he had spent on his treatment. So this was the decision taken by the government. Now next is the public health facilities. This we will private health facilities. This we will cover tomorrow. Till then, you cover this topic only and read all the previous pages and try to make question answer till how much you have covered.